Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm glad that we start on Math A&A HL paper 3 or HL question complicated. Okay, so look at the question. Okay, it has a big introduction, but actually you don't need to care about it. Just look at the question. See, find an expression of f dash x. Fx is here, right? Find an expression, so just first derivative, take out the 2, negative 2, okay. 2 minus x cubed and then differentiate negative x. Okay, and then group them together is 2 over 2 minus x cubed. That's it, okay? Next one, okay. Show that f dash g dash equals something. Oh, so you need to find g dash first, okay? Maybe you find g dash first. So g dash is what is g? X squared. So g dash is ex. So very simple, okay, they want to show, so you need to do it slowly. F dash G dash, okay. First list out both the result, intermediate step, okay, as detailed as possible, do it as low as possible, and then combine them. Oh, sorry, results already, so make sure you write it down slowly. 2 minus x cubed. Number 3, okay, show that f g dash plus g f dash equal this thing. Show question again, so do it slowly. Remember, copy them slowly. F is this, okay, 1 over 2 minus x all square. G dash is 2x, and then g is x square. F dash is, yes, 2 over 2 minus x cubed. So you need to take out the same denominator, 2 minus x cubed, right? First one, okay, you have 2x and then 2 minus x. So the first one is more, is 2x, 2 minus x. Next one is plus 2x squared. You saw, cancel out the 2x squared, cancel out. So it becomes 4x over 2 minus x cubed. So it is the first part A. So you will see they just give you a fancy introduction, but when you really look at the question, it has nothing to do with it. So just be brave and work on it and trust yourself. You can do it cause we are cool. Okay, see you for next part. Bye.